So first I'm starting by placing this LED on the breadboard, and ensure that the positive and negative pin of this LED. So let me place it, and now we'll connect this resistance to the positive pin of the LED, and you need to bend it. So just connect it to the positive pin of the LED, and now I'll connect this LED with digital pin number 3 of the Arduino by using this connecting wires. So let me do this. Now I'm going to connect it to the pin number 3. So let's do it. Just place it like this at the one end of resistance and other to the pin number 3, and now I'll connect the LED negative pin with the ground of the Arduino. You can use any ground pin of Arduino to connect the negative pin, so you can connect it anywhere, and now our setup is completed.